Modoc High Mountain Zippers. For those guys that follow my posts, this is my lead babies of 2017, and they're really starting to impress me today. I wanted to share with you guys a little bit what I've been seeing. The battery's fixing to die in this camera, so hopefully we'll be able to record as much as I can until the battery dies or my arm gets tired, one of the two, fellas. Well, those birds are really starting to look good up there, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. They're really starting to clean up their rolls, some of them. They're flying at a good height. A little fast, but I'm trying not to keep them pulled down too hard right now. They don't need it. Let me back up a little bit so maybe we can get a little more pictures. Birds in the view. Keen eye quiet. I'm going to try and get him to go up a little higher. I don't like him this low. Up there! Up there! Keen eye quiet. They're not real active today. Tomorrow they'll get a day of rest, but since they had the 5 days of rest, I've been trying to get these guys whipped back in shape. We'll get them back into being more active. And yes, I know they're flying a little fast today, but it is winter time up here. I'm just pretty much letting them be pigeons right now. I'm not trying to be too strict on feed or anything. Alright guys, you see how it is up here. Y'all have a wonderful day, stay flying, and may your skies be BOP free. Peace!